Right, the computer's alive again, so let's draw that spline. There you go, nice spline, make sure they intersect. Okay, and that'll do. Okay, so escape to terminate the spline, so that's my my guide curve. So we now have two curves. We already have the airfoil curve, we've got that sketch there for the blade. So what I will do is update, click update there, and let's create another loft. So we're going to click lofted boss base, the profile. I'm going to select 1, the airfoil, 2, the circle, and we could see, oh, there, it's just use the automatic guides, so it's just lofting, it's not following the curve that we described. So if we select the guide curve and click on that line, it's a bit more like it. But now it's forcing itself a bit forward here. So what we need in reality is we need another set of align curves. So don't know what these options do. Let's play with them. Let's see what it does. No, don't know what that is. So anyway, you get the idea. Had I drawn another line, so if I go back, in fact, let's do it. So we'll cancel that loft and let's go back and edit that sketch that we just did. So right click edit sketch. We'll also add a line from here to here. So that's our second guide. Okay, so let's go back to our loft. So let's update the feature by clicking the red and green lights. We're going to select lofted base. The profiles, we're going to select this profile there, that profile there. For our guide curves, we're going to select this there and that there. And there's an error in the building, so let's cancel that. Let's go back again. So we'll create that. We'll click on the curve. We'll click lofted. We'll select other curve. For my guides, I will select this one there, and I will also select the other one there. Does that look a bit better? I think that looks a bit better. Stamped, and here we go. And it's done a loft, and that's the best the computer could come up with. So that front there follows our guideline, and didn't look like it followed the one at the back here. So let's go back and edit it. So right click, edit feature. So guidelines. Could that be in the way? It's not what I would have wanted. Ah, I see where the issue is. I see. I might have lied to you a little. The curve that we use, the guideline there, it shouldn't be a sketch. It should be a curve that we insert. So what we need to do is, because it hasn't found the guide curve, we'll go back, we'll cancel the loft, we'll delete that loft, yeah, so we left there. Here is a sketch, and to link these two there, we will insert a point. So we will insert curve through X, Y, Z. Okay, so our point will be from the origin, which is there. So point 0, double click in the box, 0, 0, 0, and point 2, we said that handle was 300 mil away. So if we look at our axis, it's 0 vertically as well. So we double click in there, 0. but along the z-axis is 300 mil, so 300 mil. Okay, and okay, so we now have a green curve there. That's an actual curve. Let's go back to our loft. So we'll click on lofted boss base. Profile, we'll select this and that. For guide curves, we'll select this line there, which is okay, and we'll also select this curve there, which is okay. Let's see. Not too bad. And this is how I did the blade. So if we unsuppress that other loft that we've done, of course I've deleted it now, you'll have your full blade there. Okay, so if we save our part, now you could extrude here, you could insert and draw a sketch there and draw a circle. So zoom in, select the circle, make it coincident, and then we click on feature, walk through the boss, and there we go, and you have a blade plus the rest of the blade that I've deleted. Okay.